In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your gas tank straps on your Toyota Camry. It's located underneath the vehicle on your gas tank. Before removing your straps on your gas tank, you're going to need to jack up the tank. You can either use a tool like the one we have, and if you don't have that, then you're going to want to use a jack on one side at a time. So using a 15mm socket with an extension, we're going to slide it through between the sway bar and the frame of the car and the tank, and you're going to see two bolts, one on each side. Do the same thing on the other side. So what you're going to do is pull down on the strap. It might be stuck to the bottom of the tank. You may need some rust penetrant, which I'm going to put right in this hinge here. So you're going to pick it up. And there's a little peg in there. Using your fingers or a punch. You can't get your fingers in there. Get a pair of pliers. And remove the pin, and then your strap will come down. So just guide the strap out. You may have to finagle it a little bit. And remove it. Now we're on the driver's side, and we're going to remove the strap up here. Do the same thing. You're going to push it up, and you're going to find that little peg. I had to use a punch to push the pin out. And now I'm going to grab it with some needle nose pliers that have a little hook shot on them. Hopefully you don't have this problem. And there we have it. So now we're going to remove our strap. Same way we did on the other side. And set it aside. We're going to take the rubber off of the old strap. And just shake it off a little bit. We're going to put this on the new one. I recommend doing one side first. Rest it on this side that's already on, and then you're going to go do the other side. If you just get it started, you can run a screwdriver down the other side. Do the same on the other one. Before putting on the straps, make sure you see which one is longer. The longer one will be on the driver's side of the gas tank. Put the strap up above your sway bar link. Slide it towards the back and up above that cross member. And now we're going to line up our strap on the other end and put the peg through. Now you have your strap up in there, you're going to put that peg through. I started it from the inside and I'm working my way out. And it usually just sits right in here and then falls down once it's in. Do the same on the other side. Let's get our bolt started. I'm using an extension and a socket. I'm going to put it through the strap first and aim my way up. Once you get your bolt started, you can tighten it down. Once you get it snug, go about a quarter of a turn more, and then do the same on the other side. Now that we have the straps installed, we're going to lower our jack.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.